Good morning. Get to say morning. It's day 8 of Vlogmas. So it's just B and I today.
Hobble.
Oh, she keeps talking about Hobble. That's making me rather sad. But yes, we'll have Hobbs back very soon. But it's just us, so yeah, we'll see what shenanigans we get up to today. Have fun. Bye. Hello.
Pit pop.
Pit pop? It sounded like she was saying hip hop, and I was like, that's very cool. But I think it's pip pop. Oh, we're also listening to Hippie Hoppy Poppy Pig, aren't we? That's what it is, hip hop. Well done, darling. We're drawing on the windows again. Bee has one of the cutest addictions. She loves catalogues. It's so cute. She loves catalogues, don't you, BB? Are you now going to climb up on the table? Even though you're not meant to. Oh dear. Okay, right. Well, I've got to stop this. Are we doing some colouring, my darling? Oh, you're looking at your sticker book, but we were, well, you're now colouring catalogues. Should we do some stickers? You were colouring the Gruffalo. Where's your... That was so good. You're doing so well. And I was drawing "Hello Daddy, we love you" on the window, which I'm going to quickly step outside and check is correct, because it's hard writing backwards to know what it's going to look like. Okay, so I'm back for more advice and asking you for help with things. So I think it's quite easy to get stuck in a rut with a kid of doing the same kind of activities, because it's like, oh, we've tried loads of things, but she only likes these. So stickers, colouring, arty things, and kind of making imaginary worlds or playing with the tri-climb climbing frame seem to be the kind of thing at the moment. But I really would love your ideas for other things we can do. They can't be too messy because we just don't have the room for it. So I'd like to kind of do things with glue. I'd love to do baking. I say glue, I mean like sticking things. That sounded a bit weird. I'd love to do some baking, but it's just, I mean, I'm going to try and do something where I put the splash mat out on the table and do some baking with her, and then I'll just do the actual baking in the kitchen, and then we'll just do stirring and adding ingredients. So I would love to do that, and would love recipes without sugar, because Bee's never had any sugar, and I think she probably won't until she's about 3. She's never had ice cream apart from just frozen bananas that were literally just mixed up with some breast milk. She's just never had sugar, so I don't know what to bake without it. So yeah, any tips with that, and then any tips with other activities that are quite easy to set up, and using things around the house would be amazing. But yes, I'm needed again, so I'll see you in a bit. Alright, we're doing an arty thing this afternoon. We are colouring loo rolls, so we've got a lot of. Bee just wants all the water. Not yet, not at the moment. She wants to just paint with water. And we're just doing some Christmassy loo rolls so that we can string them up as like basically a paper chain, but like a loo roll chain. And yeah, so I'm getting on with some of that. Bee, shall we use, what we're going to do is use a pen first, so that we've got a nice clean line, and then we'll colour it in and paint. Bee just wants to colour, she's just using the paints to push around different paints. So we're coming up with lots of browny, dirty colours. But yeah, it's lovely. Oh, either of us really dressed for this occasion? I don't know if we are actually. I didn't really think that through. But last time we did painting, Bee wore this outfit because we were doing a blog for Frugy, and this is a Frugy outfit. So it's already got paint on it, so I was like, why not? And to be honest, I've had this jumper dress. I made it years ago. And there we go. That's all the loo rolls. So yeah, on we go. Bee, you know how I said no more water? Shall we get the water? Are you ready? Ready? Okay, so what you want to do is dip the paintbrush in the water and then add a bit to each paint. Yeah? No, not with that, just with your paintbrush. That's it. Thank you, darling. Okay, and then just put a bit of water in each colour without splashing it on yourself. In each colour, B. Just want to paint with water. That's lovely. Right, well, I'm going to quickly just do this because we do need to have a bit more water in each colour. Yellow. B, what colour's this? What's that all about? What colour's this?
Red.
Yeah.
Yellow.
And this one's orange. And this one is and this one is yeah, I mean it's kind of more a red than that one's yellow, and this one is yeah, and this one is green. Very good. Do you know this one? Brown, yes, and this one is black. Right. Here, if you want to do some painting with water, there you go. A little bit more. Okay, well, as per usual, Bea didn't really want to join in with me much. She did paint with water a lot, which was lovely, but I have made some red and green loo rolls and a pink, a red and an orange one. I'm going to do all the rainbow colours as well, so it's going to be Christmas rainbow paper chain of loo rolls. There we go, that's what it is. And Bea's in her cot, so I'm going to just tidy up a little bit because it gets a bit messy.
So Bea, it's Advent calendar time. Oh, what day is it? Have a look. 8. Can you find door number 8? Oh.
No.
Is there a little message in? Oh, she's straight on it. Are you okay, or would you like... Oh, well done. Do you want Daddy to read it? Bring it to Daddy. You ready? What does it say? Should we have a look together? Today is Advent number 8. So find your mice a new playmate. She's hiding in a warm, dark space. Oh, Bea, this way.
Bea, where do you think your mice are?
Well, I wasn't expecting that. Ooh, back.
Oh yeah, they let her crawl into the bath.
This way, darling. A pot of tea. Yes, that's the place. Where's your teapot? Teapot. So she's hiding in a warm, dark space. A pot of tea. Yes, that's the place. Oh my! What's in the teapot? Have you had a look in the teapot? What's that?
Mice.
It's a little mouse.
Oh.
So how many mice have we got? Look. 1.
2, 3.
Oh, is this a little baby mouse?
They've had a little baby.
Do you want to turn around and put them together? Dee Dee, mouse, and what's this one called?
What's it called, darling?
Digi.
Another Dee Dee.
Oh, Dee Dee
baby
the
Dee Dee.
second.
So Dee Dee and baby Dee Dee.
Oh.
Or we could call it Little Squeak. Squeak, squeak.
No.
I knew she was saying that. I was waiting for that. It's little, it's okay, it's
my
baby
darling.
Dee
It's okay,
Dee.
it's baby Dee Dee.
Baby Dee Dee, you can name them.
We'll never do that again.
Oh.
Baby. Oh,
Are
do you like your
singing a
mice?
song to baby Dee Dee?
Do you like your mice, darling?
And now, Bea, do you want to say bye-bye for day number 8?
Should we say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye. And what does Santa say? Ho, ho.
Oh, oh. Very dainty Santa.